Hello and welcome to the New York Computer Science League's Tron competition. I'm going to show you how to quickly get started. First, download our starter packages. That contains the starter code that you need for the competition. That starter code is in Java, C++, and Python. Once you've got that, just extract the Tron file and the Tron bot file that's relevant to your language and the Tron environment.py. I'm going to be conducting this tutorial in Java. I've got my Tron.java file, my Tron.bot.java file, and my Tron environment.py file. So now I'm going to go and open up the Tron bot file. That's where you're going to be putting all of your code. The Tron file houses the competition's code, the Tron bot file has your code, and the Tron environment file runs your code and plays your code against other bots. Here I've got my Tron bot. It's pretty simple. So right now it just initializes, it prints out to a log file. This is a Java bot. It queries the environment and asks for a game map, and then it tells the environment that it wants to move south. So I'm going to write a really basic bot that will just not trip over itself. It will move on to a square that's empty, a square that doesn't have a wall or has been taken already by another bot or is another bot, just an empty square. So now to run a bot, you have to open a terminal and you have to cd into the directory that has your code. So once you're in that directory, if you're using Java, you're going to need to compile your Java. If you're using C++, you're going to need to compile your C++. If you're using Python, you won't need to compile either of those. It's really simple to compile Java on the command line. This command will compile the Java bot file. This command will run a game between two Java bots. We're running the environment, and then we're just passing in the run command for both our bots, and we're basically just running the same bot against itself. So player 1 lost. It collided with a tile that was already taken, so it just ran into a tile that was not empty. Player 2 won. To view a replay, you just go to the NYCSL.io website, you view a game file, and then you pass in your replay, and you'll be able to see in our viewer what happened. A couple of commands for the viewer. You can do left arrow to go back, right arrow to go forward. As you can see, the Java bot did not perform any move that would have immediately killed it, but it did end up cornering itself right over here. Now once you have a bot ready for competition, all that you have to do is zip all the necessary files to your bot. So that, for me, it's the Tron file and the Tron bot file. Now you just have to submit it to competition, and after a couple of minutes, your score will update on the leaderboard. You can see games played by your bot against others and games played by other bots by clicking on somebody else's score. You'll get a drop down of the last 5 games played with that bot, and you'll be able to see a replay of those games by clicking on the game result. So here, Luka Koval just beat Nicholas Carrera. Nicholas Carrera just went into a wall. Here we can look at Ben Spector, the current winner of the game. He beat Josh Doolin. Wasn't a very exciting game. He beat Amon Sanger. That's an exciting game. For more information on the specifics of the game, please refer to our problem description and problem specifics. And on our tutorial, we teach you how to write 3 increasingly difficult bots in C++ and Java. Thank you.